JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.
Rahul Kapoor Jain. This honoree wears many hats to his distinction. He is an entrepreneur, motivational speaker, youth icon and writer. Let's know more about this honoree of ours. Many of us have humble beginnings. These beginnings are the genesis of personalities that get molded as life goes on. Some shirk away deliberately, some people forget, and some people use it to spur and ignite their lives. Rahul Kapoor has used early incidents in his life to empower him, and he proudly wears them on his shoulder. Coming from a joint family background, Rahul decided not to join his brothers in their family business and instead wished to contribute to the cause of communication and motivation. His one-point agenda was to inspire youngsters to become successful and thus make their parents proud. He believed that every success story that he creates would be a perfect ode to his dad. In November 98, at the age of 22, he started his first company while he was pursuing his post-graduation. It was called Kapoor's Workshop on Effective Communication, with a vision to provide quality behavioral and skills training to his juniors in college. Impressed by his work, The Times of India recognized him by featuring him in a column called The Rising Sun. Rahul has trained over 50,000 people from all walks of life and has worked with over 100 clients. He is a visiting faculty at Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. He is also a certified trainer for Edward de Bono's Six Thinking Hats USA and a certified consultant of Thomas Systems UK. In 2003, when India was on the verge to make its mark as an emerging technology powerhouse, Rahul tied up with a Malaysian company called First Ray and pioneered to bring high-end technology-based TV game shows and quizzing modules. In 2007, Dr. Abdul Kalam's book India 2020 inspired Rahul to contribute to the cause of the nation, and he took a plunge into charitable work more seriously than ever before. He conceptualized Ignite India initiative to train, motivate and inspire young Indians and create a module on goal-setting motivational skills called Get Ignited, a 7-step success program to make youngsters self-driven and self-reliant so that they can contribute to make India a developed nation by 2020. In 2009, Rahul was deeply hurt to see that hundreds of Jain youth did not take pride in their identity and were drifting away from Jain ideologies. He believed that to be able to contribute to the world and society, youth must be driven by a powerful value system and their energy must be channelized constructively. Thus, he initiated Jain Youth Leadership Forum, which provides youngsters a greater understanding of their roles as global Jain ambassadors while analyzing concepts surrounding Jainism. In March 2010, he was hired as the official host or presenter for Royal Challengers Bangalore cricket team during the DLF IPL 3. In June 2010, Times Group Books launched Rahul's first book, Workwise: Lessons in Excellence for Young Professionals. Rahul has penned his personal experiences as a trainer and as a human being on varied subjects ranging from career, entrepreneurship, money, business, health and relationships, work-life balance and patriotism. His work as a trainer, speaker and a writer has left a trail of cross-section of people who are inspired and carry on the baton of his body of work or emulate him to replicate success. Whichever way one looks at it, it's difficult not to be enamored by Rahul, the energetic person, and his work. JCI India honors this young man who is happily married to Deepa and blessed with 2 children, Diksha and Diya. Presenting before you the nominee of JCI Bangalore Garden City from Zone 14 in the category of Personal Improvement and Accomplishment, Mr. Rahul Kapoor Jain.
JCI India 10 Outstanding Young Indians Awards Ceremony 2010.